Okay, let's now take a look at parallel box plots. So we remember our box and whisker plots we use our 5 number summary to develop them. And so parallel just means that you're going to have two either vertically next to each other or horizontally, one on top of the other, or one above the other, to be able to easily compare their statistics. And so let's take a look at an example here. So, a hospital is trying a new drug. We have the old time of the drug versus the new time on how um, fast it works, and we want to determine which one is going to be more reliable. So, I am going to, if you want, pause this. If you want to go through together, pause this and get your calculator and get your 5 number summary for both the old drug times and the new drug times. So I'm going to go to a new sheet here and our old. I'm just going to go our 5 number summary. So our min is going to be 5, our Q1 is 8, our median is 10, our Q3 is 12.5, and our max is 21. Other things that we will want to know are our IQR. So our IQR is our Q3 minus Q1, which gives me 4.5. And then just to check for outliers, we also want to do the 1.5 IQR test. And so our lower bound is going to be our Q1, which is 8, minus our 1.5 times 4.5. And we get 1.25 for that. And then our upper bound we find is our 12.5 minus our 1 point, or not minus, plus our 1.5 times 4.5, and we end up with 19.5. And so when looking at your data, our minimum is 5, so we don't have any um, outliers on the bottom half, but our maximum is 21. And so when we look at our data, we do know that we have an outlier of 21. So that's our old data. And then our new, our minimum is 7. And I'm just going to write the numbers here. So our min is 7, our Q1 is 8, our median is 9, our Q3 is 10, our max is 12, our IQR is 2. We do 10 minus 8. Our 1.5 IQR test, if we do our lower bound, we have 8 minus 1.5 times 2, which gives us 5. And our upper bound is 10 plus 1.5 times 2, which is 13. And so when we look at the data set, we have no data sets that are below 5 or above 13. So we have no outliers on the new drug. So then our next step is going to be to draw our parallel box plot. So all you need to do is draw your number line. So I'm going to, so we have 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19, 21. And so I'm going to put my old here. And if we look at our data, our min is 5, 8, 10. So 5, 8, 10, 12.5, and 21. So 12.5. And since 21, okay, and so we have a box here, and then our whiskers, and then you would just put the new one above it. And what do we got here? 7, 8, 9, 10, 12. So 7, 8,